Welcome back to Oxmal Side Hustle. In this video, we're diving into the first step of your dropshipping journey, creating your Shopify store. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, we'll guide you step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Head over to Shopify.com. Click on Start Free Trial. Shopify offers a 14-day free trial, so you can explore the platform without any upfront cost. Enter your email, choose a secure password, and create a unique store name. Don't worry, you can change your store name later if needed. Step 2. Welcome to your Shopify dashboard. This is your control center where you'll manage everything: products, orders, and even marketing campaigns. Let's walk through setting up your store. Step 3. Go to your Settings tab. Update your store information, including your business address, currency, and time zone. This ensures your store is ready to operate globally. Step 4. Choose your store's theme. Go to the online store section and click on Themes. Shopify offers free themes like Debut and Dawn, which are beginner-friendly. Step 5. Set up your domain. You can either buy a custom domain through Shopify or connect an existing one. A custom domain makes your store look more professional, like www.mystery.com instead of mystery.myshopify.com. Congratulations! Your Shopify store is officially set up. Next, we'll dive into creating essential pages like Home, About Us, and FAQ to make your store ready for customers. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Oxmal Side Hustle, and stay tuned for the next video in this series. Let's build your online business together.